Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. Under the hood we have a 2.4-liter i4 engine and a 9-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in bright white and it looks fantastic. You do have the black accenting on the hood there with the black grille as well. It does come with bi-function halogen projector style headlights right there, and you do have your fog lights down there as well. It does have the red tow hooks which stand out really nicely on it. Coming around the side here, we do have 17-inch rims with Firestone brand tires. Still lots of tread left on them, and the black rims look very nice as well. You do also have heated exterior mirrors right there and the Cherokee badging. And coming all the way around to the back here, we got that Trailhawk badge and the Jeep and the 4x4, as well as another red accented tow hook. Looks fantastic. Got your backup camera there too, and as long as it's unlocked, you just gotta press the button there and open it up. Lots of room back here. Looks great. Very soft as well. Nothing like it be getting scratched up. You can fold those seats forward. You can also lift this guy up, and your spare tire is underneath there. Got a bit of additional storage there as well. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and you do have your remote start there. And let's take a look on the inside here. So on the door here, you do have your electric mirrors, windows, and locks all there. A little bit of silver accenting here. Leather for the armrest and a little handle there. Some storage down here with your water bottle holder. Leather interior, very nice. You do have that Trailhawk logo and the red stitching as well over here. You do also have the controls of your lights here, so your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your in-cabin light control right here, and our high beam and turn signals right there. Okay, let's start her up here. So key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge, and our engine temperature is going to pop up right there. Perfect. Now we also have how many kilometers we have, 62,000. It also says the temperature outside and the direction we're facing. Now we can change that around from our vehicle info, or sorry, our speedometer to our vehicle info. You got your fuel economy, trip info, audio, stored messages, screen setup, and back to your speedometer. That is controlled from your steering wheel here with your call out button, voice recognition, and your hang up for your Bluetooth. Horn in the center, and your cruise control options on the other side right there. And right there we do have the control over our windshield wipers. Now around the back of the steering wheel, we do have the volume up and down for the radio and a source changer, as well as on the other side there's an identical button for the channel. Now in the center we do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display here with Uconnect. It looks great. You do have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM, as well as your media tab here if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, SD card, USB, or aux cord. You got the controls over your heated seats and heated steering wheel. You got your Uconnect right here with all your apps inside. Then you also got your climate control. You do have all those options there. And then you do have your screen off, as well as your phone options right there if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth. Hazard lights right there. And down here we do have the volume up and down with the screen off, traction control and back button, as well as the browser. And then your AC, circulation, heat up and down, as well as your off and your power. And then you have the front and rear defrost right down there. And then we also have an SD card slot, we have an aux cord and a USB plug-in. And then right here is the controls over the 4-wheel low, downhill park assist. You get the rear lock, and then you can also change how the vehicle drives, snow mode, sport, sand, mud, rock, all of those. You can change that, and it changes how it drives a little bit to make it a little bit easier. And then you do have your gear shift here, and when you are in reverse, you do have that ever nice backup camera right there. You also have your electronic parking brake right here, so you just gotta press in, pull it back with your foot on the brake. Now we're in park, and then press it in to deactivate it. Some cup holders right here, and we do have our armrest, which doubles as a storage container. You got the top and the bottom right there. And then over here we do have a locking glove box, always nice to have in case someone did break in. If it's locked, you'll be all good. And then up top here we do have a sunglass holder and some lights. And then we do have a little secret compartment right here under the seat, always nice to have. Let's take a look at the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you do have some silver accenting. You got the control over your mirror or windows here. You got that red accenting. The stitching here looks great. Leather armrest and handle here. You do have some storage down there with the water bottle holder. Very spacious interior back here. Easily you can fit your 3 people, and that red accenting is throughout the entire vehicle. You got some storage, you have armrests here with some cup holders if you didn't have the person in the middle. And as I said, you can fold this forward just like this, and you got that extra room as well. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2016 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.